Off today, it's your boy Jeremy from Cherry Auto Detailing, and I want to talk to everyone today about IR ceramic window tint, the revolutionary solution to upgrading your vehicle's windows. In this presentation, we'll explore how to install it, its major benefits, and why it's crucial for anyone seeking comfort, privacy, and protection. Before we get started, I just want to give you guys some context. This video, you'll be seeing me install some IR ceramic window film on this 2020 Toyota Tacoma. We're going to be replacing the old factory tint, the traditional dye tint, and putting in some IR ceramic window film. This is going to be a pretty cool video. So short informational how to install and clean and what are the benefits. So let's get this started. Of course, step one is the preparation. Before installing any window tint, IR ceramic window tint, CS carbon, any type of window tint, even ceramic coatings, you have to prepare the vehicle. So for IR ceramic window tint, we have to ensure that the car windows are clean and free of dirt and debris, and cleaning windows thoroughly. Step 2 is to cut and apply. IR ceramic window tint is custom cut to fit your vehicle's windows. Applying the film to the inside surface of the windows. Remember, not all windows are the same shape and size, so we have to cut the film to match the shape and contour of your window. To minimize any risk, we use a plotter, and this helps minimize the risk of damaging your vehicle. This reduces the chances of us cutting on your window and makes it easier for us to install. Makes it a lot faster, more efficient. Step 3 is smooth and trim. Using a squeegee to smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles, trimming any excess film for a precise fit. Sometimes plotter size are not the accurate size fit, so we do have to trim it up to make sure it can fit exactly on the contour of your glass. Now let's dive into the major benefits of IR ceramic window tint. Right now, the best benefit that everyone is raving about with IR ceramic window tint is the heat rejection properties. IR ceramic window tint is highly effective at blocking infrared rays, which carries heat. This means it significantly reduces the interior's temperature of your vehicle, making your driving experience more comfortable. Another good protective properties IR ceramic window tint has is UV protection. It blocks up to 99% of harmful UV rays, which can fade your car's interior and pose a health risk. Protect your skin and your vehicle's upholstery. It also reduces glare from the sun, headlights at night, improving visibility, making your drive safer. This tint can also enhance comfortability. Beat the heat and enjoy a cooler, more comfortable ride. You will also reduce the strain on your vehicle's AC system, saving on fuel and maintenance cost. Privacy and security. IR ceramic window tint adds privacy to your vehicles, making it harder for outsiders to see inside. This enhances security and keeps your belongings safe. In conclusion, IR ceramic window tint is a valuable addition to your vehicle, offering comfort, protection, and privacy. By following the installation process correctly, you can enjoy these benefits for years to come. Upgrade your driving experience with IR ceramic window tint. Enjoy a cooler interior, better visibility, and peace of mind. Your car deserves the best, and so do you. Thank you so much for tuning in today and joining us on this journey. I hope you found this video informational, entertaining. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all our latest content and be a part of our amazing community. If you have any questions or thoughts you'd like to share, please leave them in the comment section. We love to hear from you. Remember to check out our other videos for more awesome content, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And of course, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Sharing is caring after all. If you're in Guam and interested in getting IR ceramic window tint, don't forget to check out our website listed in the description below. There are also links to help you detail your vehicle. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way, and until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and be amazing.